when we say shaping the future of the commercial mobility, the first thing is we have to drive modernization. When we say we have to drive modernization, it means we have to provide more safer trucks, we have to provide more efficient trucks, we have to provide more productive trucks, we have to minimize the costs of our customers. It means that our products have to be better or best in class fuel efficient. If the fuel efficiency is better, if the fuel burning is better, it means we will be emitting less carbons. If we emit less carbon, it means we are more environment friendly. Sustainability is the core of everything that we do. When we say sustainability, it means that first of all we are the trustees for our future generation. If we do anything today, we have to see that we are handing over the environment to our next generation in a better manner, not in a worse manner. So therefore, I think sustainability should remain the core of everything that we do.
Join us in the special series of ET Auto presents Future of Mobility Season 2, 8th June, right here at ET Auto.